What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jonathan. Please subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. Today's video is going to be related to the Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be installing the screen protect in the package. As you open it up, according to the instructions, there's already soap inside of the bottle. Fill it in with water, give it a shake and a swirl, and it should be good to use. You have a nice microfiber towel. Wrapped in the towel was this squeegee, and then you have your screen protector. So don't be worried that they're rolled up. This is how they all are shipped out. Thankfully, I have my additional side pockets here for the truck, so I can easily put these down over here. I'll put the link down below where you guys can get yourself some of these pockets. There is a little bit of soap on the edge of the brush there, so make sure not to have that touch anything. Just close the cap and swirl it around, shake, shake, shake. As you can see here, a lot of dust, fingerprints, and just give everything around here a nice little clean. Give it one more of these, squeegee, and just kind of make sure you got everything off. The instructions do say that this will take longer to kind of solidify in colder temperatures. Right now we're in the middle of the winter. I don't expect it to glue fully within a week. Instructions say it take about 3 days, sometimes up to 30 days to see all the bubbles disappear, so just be patient with it. But I think that's pretty clean if you ask me. You're going to apply more of the solution onto the screen, and then we're going to apply solution onto the film as we unpeel it. Pretty much you want to get the back and tire wet, and then you want to take your film and then align it. Based off the instructions, they said that there was going to be a little bit of a gap around the edges, but here we go. You can see right now, because I have a lot of solution there, it's easy to move around, which is what you want. And once you have it kind of at your desired spot that you're like evenly divided everything up, you want to tack it down by using your squeegee and kind of getting the water out. Tack it into place a little bit. Once you get one side good, you want to tack it in as well. You know what? It's not even fully installed yet, and I can already tell the difference. The screen looks so much more clearer for some reason. Just press the buttons and squeegee. I think it looks pretty good. It actually gives the screen a little bit more of a dark tone to it. Does that make sense? It has more depth. This you can see a difference in, so you can't really tell that the screen protector is there, but you have that added insurance now in case you need it. Basically, same process as we did with the radio. You want to take your soapy solution, which there's quite a lot of it. Don't be stingy with it. Use it as much as you have to. So here we go. Clean off all the dust, existing debris you have on there. From my understanding, this piece is pretty scratch prone. Even yet still, you can see that it has some scratches. So I think I'm going to call it good for now on the cleaning. You guys can see kind of down here along this edge. I don't know that scratches. Now we're going to install this one, which is for the speedometer. Similar as the other process. Okay, so here's our film. And now we're going to try to align the reset hole. The instruction did say that the screen protector will fall behind the bezel. Tuck it in all around so that it's hidden inside of the edges. Okay, so we have it aligned. A lot of the scratches somehow seem to disappear with this stuff. There is a bubble right there. Hopefully, as instructions said, they'll release on their own. If not, then I'll just blame user error. I would say that's pretty good. One thing that I would note, user error on my part over here on this side. You can see that I didn't really align the film to the bezel that well, so you can see the edge of it right there. Overall, I think it looks pretty well. Alright, the last protector we have to install is the one on the gear shifter. I know this one for a fact will potentially get the most scratches, just because I always throw stuff around to the cup holders, to the cubbies on the sides. Start off as well, similar to all the other ones. Give it a nice little wipe. We'll call that about clean for now, and pretty straightforward. It's a little crooked for my taste. If this ever does happen, you have to remove it, lift it up slowly, and apply some more solution as you lift it. That way the glue doesn't fully come off. Try it again. I didn't really like how it was a little bit crooked there. Because of this boot cover here, it's a little bit hard to get on the edges. There's this air pocket that I can't seem to get rid of. I put it too close to the boot cover. If you're installing this, try to keep a little bit off from the boot cover. Maybe try to stay close to the trim side. Other than that, pretty happy with how it looks. In person, The black looks a lot more deep. Alright, so we just finished installing the screen protect. Overall, I would say the kit is a pretty well built kit, easy to install. I would recommend it. At first, I was a little bit skeptical, but now after installing it, especially on the radio, it does add a little bit of a more darker color to it. I don't know if that makes sense. You kind of have to see it in person. If you're looking to install this and you're thinking, I don't need it, you're probably right, but it doesn't hurt to have it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the screen protect. Is this something you would use on your truck? Until next time, peace.